You're watching Be More Lifestyle.
All right, well, the year 2020 proved challenging for many married couples, and some relationships may have ended. But parents now have to battle a new challenge when it comes to co-parenting and blended families. Family law attorney Morgan Foster back with us now. All right, Morgan, so explain to us the term blended families.
So there are lots of different versions of blended families these days, but basically when the original biological parents have split and the children usually is going back and forth between two households in a blended family situation.
Okay, so we know that it's going to be kind of difficult. Do you have any tips to help make blended families work?
Absolutely. The great thing to know is that kids are incredibly resilient and adaptable, and they will adjust far quicker than the grown-ups will. But there are a lot of things that the adults can do to make it easier on the children. The name of the game is consistency and trying to adopt a consistent set of rules between the two households. And the first thing I always tell clients when they are entering into a co-parenting situation is you've got to adjust your expectations and you've got to pick your battles. Parenting is always going to be about compromise, whether you're under one roof or two different roofs. And so you have to remember, keep the conversations limited to things that are child related, and you're going to have to compromise a little bit.
For sure. So how hard is that for your clients to kind of wrap their minds around compromise when it comes to a relationship that did not work and now trying to do just that when it comes to the kids?
I think the hardest thing for adults is to remember what is now outside of the tent. What are the things that they don't have to worry about? In order to keep things focused on the kids, there are all sorts of things that you used to weigh in on with that partner that are no longer your business, right? You can't pick their next significant other, but you can have a conversation with them about how it might be appropriate to introduce that new significant other to the child, or when it's appropriate for that person to spend the night when the child's in their care, or when the child may be able to go to that person's house. So there are certain things that are child related that are good topics to discuss, and there are other things that adults need to remember are no longer their tent.
All right, great advice. We appreciate you, Morgan, so much for joining us today. Thank you.
Great to see you, Brandy.